Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday, and let's see exactly what we get into. So we already posted our trade ideas tab, of course, what we're watching. So let's get right into today's market and let's see what we catch. So here's a perfect break and retest strategy right here on NVDA for the upside for a nice breakout. You guys can see all you got to do is connect these wicks up here, the most previous highs, and you can see we got a nice 15-minute candle breakout. Volume's kicking in here pretty strong. Now I am watching it for 15-minute candle or in general 5 minutes, see what exactly what we're going to do. I should probably start debating about entering here real shortly. I'm just going to see what this next 5 minute does and see if we're going to get a nice candle above, and then I'll probably enter in, guys. These contracts are going for 375. All right, guys, so we're gonna take our one and done trade here. I gotta use the restroom, so I'm gonna put it on pause and we'll see how this thing goes. All right, so we're back. We got exactly what we do need, but of course, market might consolidate here for a little bit. You can see on the 15-minute time frame, we got a nice decent close. But now if we go on a 5-minute time frame, you can see we're kind of just consolidating here, which is a little bit expected and is kind of needed. After a strong run, we kind of just leaned a little bit of a consolidation. Hopefully not too big of a pullback. I'm not trying to see a 10% dip. I want these things to go immediately in our favor, of course, but that might take some time. So we're gonna do our best to hold these guys. We got in for 390. We called it out to the Discord as well. We told them get in at 370, so they got in for $20 cheaper. We're gonna see what these things can do, guys. So let's fucking go, guys. These contracts are now at 422. We entered in at 390. I called it out 375. So we're seeing some good gains here. We're just gonna try to hold on to these best as we can, guys. That is our goal today. So there we go, officially 16% here. We're so close to our first price target, guys. We're seeing a 15% here gain, and we're so close to selling. Because SPY, okay, we're gonna probably hit sell here once SPY taps his resistance. NVIDIA's almost at resistance, and everything is about to tap resistance. So we don't want to be the only one caught holding the bag. There goes SPY trying to pull back a little bit, so we're gonna get out at this 15% gain. Very good trade right here, over $60 trade on this one, and everything just tapped resistance. So guys, we just collected out on a nice trade, and I'm glad I exited because look at how NVIDIA is now. It pulled back here pretty hard. So we did sell at the top, even though I wanted to collect a 20-30% gain. Literally 16% was the most it even climbed to. So anything now is probably about 8-7% where it pulled back to now. But guys, I want to show you guys this sauce. So check this out. We're also going to do another video separate from this, so be on the lookout for that one on how I simply trade the break and retest strategy. Because again, guys, all I do is be patient and wait very simply for my trade setup, and everything else is just noise. So check this out. Look at this trend line. Not only do we break in the pre-market, but also we get a breakout of the most previous highs. And you guys know my trading style. I love breakout trades. So very simply, we broke out with this candle here on this very massive, bullish candle. This is the breakout, and you guys can see the reason why it's called a breakout, again, for anybody new, is because it breaks out the most previous highs. So this is a new high right here. And then after you get the breakout, my next part of my strategy is the retest. So all you got to do is after you get the breakout, you don't want to enter at the very top, which is what I used to do. And if you're struggling with that, then best believe I can help you understand how to find good entries, which in this case, this is the retest here. So after you get the breakout, all I did, which you guys saw me live trade it, was entering on the 5 minutes for the retest. And you can see it's actually even getting a little bit of a bullish flag here, or pennant, whatever you want to call it. Many people don't really like patterns, but I promise you, it just helps you read price action. So again, breakout, this is where we saw 8%, pulled all the way back to -3%, bounce on our little breakout area for another break and retest strategy, or basically a support bounce. And then guys, this is where we sold at the top here for a nice 15% gain. And this is how much money we made off that single trade here. So you guys can see, this is the video that we took here. This is my account, and we're gonna wrap it up here because we got some things to do to work on my mom's business and scan some files. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have an awesome Thursday. We're gonna edit up this vlog and just continue on with our day. And I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. And if we do take any other trades, of course, we'll just recap it for tomorrow's video. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video, and be on the lookout on how I traded this on the replay. We're gonna paper trade it, and we're gonna show you guys live again how you guys can spot this entry.